Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a numerical on junction field effect transistor. According to the given problem, the pinch off voltage of the n-channel JFET has been given as 4 volt and VGS is also given as 1 volt. Now they have asked that pinch off occurs for VDS equals to which volt. Now we know that here Vp is given as 4 volt and VGS is given as 1 volt. So we can write that drain to source voltage mod is equals to Vp mod minus VGS. This equation is a very important equation with respect to the voltage equation for JFET. Now from this equation we can find the value of Vp as 4 volt minus VGS is equals to 1 volt, so it will be 3 volt. So pinch off will occur at a value of VDS when VDS value will be 3 volt. So this is all about the numerical that is given. Thank you.